Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna talk about Electroneum. What is Electroneum and what are its advantages and disadvantages? Watch this video till the end and you will not have any questions about what Electroneum is. So let's start. What is Electroneum?
The Electroneum team makes acquiring cryptocurrency as simple as downloading an app. By breaking down the barriers around acquiring cryptocurrency, Electroneum believes they can spread their coin far and wide. There are countless people who want to buy various coins but aren't willing to send awkward selfies with their passports to a website they know nothing about.
There are also the issues of linking bank accounts and paying shockingly high fees. There are also the issues of linking bank accounts and paying shockingly high fees. Electroneum feels they have the solution in this guide. We'll go over how they aim to bring cryptocurrency to the masses. How does Electroneum work?
Electroneum, also referred to as ETN, is built off the Monero code base to allow for transactions on a decentralized blockchain. Like Monero, Electroneum has built-in privacy features. One of the main criticisms of Bitcoin is that the balance of every wallet address is public and easy searchable. This problem is solved with Electroneum's stealth addresses, a one-time public key that prevents recipients' funds from being linked with their wallet. That address can be audited by third party to prove the transaction occurred. The recipient gets their funds through their wallet's private view key, which scans the blockchain. Once detected and retrieved by the wallet, the single-use private key is created. The recipient can now spend those funds using their private spend key. This occurs without the sender, recipient, nor the amount transacted publicly linked.
Transactions are relatively fast with dynamic fees based on the level of traffic on the network. The vast majority of the blocks have less than 0.2 ETN in total fee sent. New blocks are added around every minute. The vast majority of the blocks have less than 0.2 ETN in total fee sent. New blocks are added around every minute. The Electroneum code base tries to avoid powerful ASICs having a huge advantage over CPU miners. The mining utilizes a memory-bound algorithm to try and encourage CPU mining, giving average users easy access to ETN. The mining utilizes a memory-bound algorithm to try and encourage CPU mining, giving average users easy access to Electroneum. The ability to give everyone access to this coin will be a recurring theme throughout this guide. Mobile app.
Electroneum's greatest differentiator is using a mobile app to bring in new users. It is already available on Android and is coming to iOS in 2018. The app provides access to a digital wallet and the ability to send and receive ETN. For extra security, you also have the option to create offline paper wallets. It's recommended you spread your coin out across several paper wallets in case you lose one. The app intensifies you to share your knowledge of Electroneum with the world.
Anyone who invites 5 friends to join the app is entered into a contest to win 5,000 Electroneum. The new users you invited are also eligible to win. Mobile mining. The most interesting feature currently in beta testing is the ability to perform mobile mining.
The app will allow your phone's CPU to engage its simulated mining. This won't cause your phone to heat up or lose significant battery life. The mining will also use a negligible amount of your internet data. Though your mobile mining won't accurately help confirm new blocks on the blockchain, you'll still receive rewards. The app still requires the use of your CPU to teach people about the connection between the power of your computer and the ability to mine. Eventually, they hope to convince some of the mobile miners to full miners on a computer. Using the phone's CPU also prevents people from simulating thousands of iterations of the app on a computer to receive free coins. If you want to know more information about how to mine ETN, just use our links below this video.
But why people pay to do virtual mining? The mobile miners bring the utility of viral marketing to Electroneum. It's important to remember they aren't bringing blockchain utility. They are bringing a different utility. They are bringing on users at a ridiculously low CPA and allowing Electroneum to have viral growth. There are over 400,000 downloads so far, and that's without the iPhone users. History of Electroneum.
The Electroneum ICO reached their hard cap of $40 million during fundraising. However, before the launch of the mobile app, they were hit by a distributed denial of service attack. The team had to shut down their servers and work over 26 hours straight to deal with the attack. Eventually, after some delay, ICO investors were distributed their coins and Electroneum continued working towards their goal of spreading ETN to the masses. Over 690 million ETN were transferred during the first 24 hours, requiring only 430 ETN in fees.
Electroneum team and progress. Electroneum calls itself the first British-based cryptocurrency. The team of 12 based in Kent is led by Richard Els, the co-founder of SiteWizard and Retortal.com. James Atkinson is the head of the Electroneum development team with over 10 years of experience in development. He is leading the charge on the Electroneum app. The respect is given to Dean Cole, the member of the team with the least sleep, consuming giant quantities of caffeine. He maintains and develops the servers required for mining and transacting in Electroneum. Partnerships.
The Electroneum team actively seeks out partnerships to further spread ETN. They recently partnered with Xias, a telecommunication payment giant. Electroneum wished to use this partnership to promote the use of their mobile mining app as a way to offset the cost of owning a smartphone. B-Media, a Japanese-based social media and e-commerce company, has also partnered with Electroneum. B-Media's 500,000 Facebook followers and monthly reach of 10 million users will play a key role in ETN's marketing plan.
The company Fanfare gives out prizes and rewards to users that upload their own videos about the products they love. Electroneum has partnered with them to hopefully one day reward the users with Electroneum. Electroneum has partnered with them to hopefully one day reward the users with Electroneum. Online gaming.
The Electroneum team hopes to replace in-game currencies, such as World of Warcraft Gold, with ETN. Imagine all of the completed quests and sold items playing out in a currency that can easily be converted to other cryptocurrencies or fiat. This would not only encourage players to play more, but the gaming company could charge fees on depositing and withdrawing ETN from their ecosystem. Creating a game that advertises ETN as in-game currency could also prove to be an effective marketing tool. One mobile game currently in beta testing involves trying to fly a rocket ship to the moon with a collecting ETN. When the player dies, they have to watch a video advertisement to help fund the ETN rewards to users.
Gambling. There are several gambling websites already accepting Bitcoin, but the problem is that it's hard for most people to obtain it. The majority of online gambling takes place outside of America, where it's especially hard to acquire Bitcoin.
Most countries do not have access to Coinbase or Gemini, and their local exchanges have often 7% fees or higher. Electroneum once again hopes to reduce friction and encouraging gambling sites to accept the currency. Electroneum mining. As mentioned previously, due to the ASIC-resistant nature of the Electroneum's mining algorithm, it's still feasible to mine coins with just your CPU. The average block rewards is about 7,000 ETN.
Coin supply and sustainability. The team reserved 4.4 billion Electroneum for investors in the ICO. Those who shared the ICO and translated relevant information received a combined 20 million Electroneum.
The core 12-person teams also reserved 20 million ETN for funding purposes. There's circulating supply of 6 billion ETN that will eventually reach a maximum supply of 21 billion ETN through rewards to the miners. 21 billion coins were chosen over Bitcoin's 21 million for psychological reasons. They felt Users would be more satisfied earning full coins as rewards and would prefer making purchases in their value. After all of the coins are mined, miners will still be able to profit by collecting the transaction fees.
Trading history. Electroneum's ICO price was 1 cent, making people a return on their investment in 10 times. However, with the coin still in its infancy and the mobile mining still in beta testing, it's too early to fully comment on the price. It will be interesting, however, to keep an eye on the release of the iOS version of the mobile app and if that has any effect on the price. So friends, it was all for today, but if you want to know more information about Electroneum, you can use our links below this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your comments below. Thank you, have a good day and see you soon. Bye!